Hi, good evening dear students. Welcome back to first PUC online classes. In last session we learned about the two numerical problems of a motion in a plane. In today's class I will explain that continue numerical problems of a motion in a plane. That is problem number 3. It is a very important for your NEET examination. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meter per second. Rain is falling vertically with a 30 meter per second. Wind starts blowing after sometimes with a speed of 10 meter per second in east to west direction. In which direction should a boy waiting at a bus stop hold his umbrella? Okay, this one is a given question. Question ಏನಿದೆ, ರೇನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ? 30 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೇನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಡೌನ್, ಈ ಥರ ರೇನ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರೇನ್. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರೇನ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್. ವಿ ಆರ್, ಆರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೇನ್, ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರೇನ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಡೌನ್. Next, its velocity how much? Its velocity 30 meter per second. Okay, after that wind starts blowing after sometimes with a speed of 10 meter per second. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈಸ್ಟ್, ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ನಾರ್ತ್, ಸೌತ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. Okay, this one is the east and this one is the west, this one is the north and this one is the south. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ವಿಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ವಿಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ವಿಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡ್. ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಂಡ್. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡ್. Velocity of a wind how much? That is the 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Then it's the resultant. ಈಗ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಹನಿ ಬೀಳಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲಾ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ this one is the one direction, this one is the downward direction. Its resultant will be middle. Its resultant will be middle. This one is the R. R you call as resultant. VRW. R you call as resultant. It makes an angle theta. Theta. And after drawn a straight line joining from this one to this one, okay, see here, this one is a line joining. In that rectangle upper side circle means this one is a VW, this one also called as VW, this one is a VR means this one also VR. Then in which direction you should hold the umbrella ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಆರ್ represented by the vectors VR and VW as in figure. VR means velocity of a rain, VW means here velocity of a wind. From that figure, observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. From figure the magnitude of R means a resultant, according to vector addition, according to vector addition. Here apply the Pythagoras formula to this one. Okay, I named this one PQR. According to Pythagoras law, R square is equal to VW square into VR square. According to Pythagoras law, R square is equal to VW square plus VR square. Then R is equal to under root of VW square plus VR square. By using that vector addition, according to that vector addition, its resultant formula, R is equal to under root of VW square plus VR square. R is equal to under root of VW how much here? 10 square plus VR 30 square. Then R is equal to under root of 10 square 100 plus 30 square 900. Then R is equal to 900 plus 100, that is 1000. Then R is equal to root of 1000, 31.6 meter per second. 31.6 meter per second. This one is a resultant velocity. Then in which direction you should hold the umbrella? ಯಾವ direction ಗೆ umbrella ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, the direction theta that capital R makes with the vertical is given by tan theta is equal to ಏನಿದೆ, opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite means which one? VW divided by VR. Tan theta is equal to VW value 10, VR value 30. Tan theta is equal to 10 divided by 30 means here 0.33. Then we have to find out angle. Therefore tan theta is equal to 0.33. Theta is equal to tan inverse. Okay, this one is a tan, which is left hand side. When it comes to RHS, 1 divided by tan. When it goes to numerator, tan inverse of 0.33. By using scientific calculator or logarithmic table, by find out tan inverse of 0.33. Sir, that value of 0.33 in a natural logarithm, we get the answer 18 degree 25 minute. How to read this one? 18 degree 25 minutes. Boy has to hold the umbrella. Boy has to hold the umbrella making an angle 18 degree 25 minute with the vertical in northeast direction. Okay, this one is the final answer. Problem number 3 over. Next, problem number 4. Okay, students, problem number 4. The position of a particle is given by The position of a particle is given by r vector is equal to 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5k cap. This one is called as position vector, position of a particle, where t is in seconds and the coefficient have proper units for r to be in meters. Find first one velocity of t and acceleration of a t of the particle. ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ velocity and acceleration of the particle. First one. Second one, find the magnitude and direction of a v of t at t is equal to 1 second. T is equal to 1 second. This one is the given question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ v of t ಇಲ್ಲಿ r ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ solution r vector is equal to 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5k cap. In that rectangular coordinates I, j, k cap are the unit vectors. That unit vectors represented by like this. X, Y, Z. Along x axis I cap, y axis j cap, z axis k cap. That three are mutually perpendicular with each other. Then position vector is 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5k cap. We have to find out first one is the velocity. First one is the velocity. Velocity that is dv divided by dt is equal to question mark, and acceleration a is equal to question mark, second one. V vector of t is equal to velocity is equal to what here? Displacement divided by time, change in position with respect to time period in a particular direction, that is dr vector divided by dt. V vector r is equal to d divided by dt. What is the value of r vector here? 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5k cap. 5k cap. See here, in this given equation, we can only differentiate I and j values, 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap, because this one is a constant. Differentiation of constant term value will be 0. Okay. Now differentiate this one. D divided by dt you call as differentiation. Separate this one. D divided by dt of 3t I cap plus d divided by dt of 2t square j cap plus d divided by dt of 5k cap. Here there is no t value. Here there is no t value means in the absence of t value, okay, we consider then 5 it is a constant term. Differentiation of constant term value will be 0. Now differentiate this one. 3 it is a constant, differentiate t only. 3 dt divided by dt I cap, and 2 it is a constant outside, differentiation of t square, that is a 2 into t to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 into 2t plus differentiation of constant term is 0. dt cancel. Okay, this one is here j cap, 3 I cap plus 4t j cap plus 0. Vr vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 4t j cap. This one is the velocity. Then Here time is equal to 1. Time is equal to 1 means V vector R is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 T j cap. T is equal to 1. It means differentiation of this one. Differentiation of this one means here dV divided by dt. dV divided by dt is equal to d divided by dt, velocity value 3 I cap plus 4 T j cap. This one is the constant term. Differentiation value, differentiation of constant term is 0. D divided by dt of 3 I cap plus d divided by dt of 4 T j cap. Here T is there, you can easily differentiate this one. Differentiation constant term is 0 plus 4 outside d divided by dt of T j cap. Next, dV divided by dt is equal to 4 j cap. 4 j cap. dV divided by dt means change in velocity divided by time period. That is called as acceleration. Acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second along y means which axis, that is the j means which axis, y axis, along y direction. Along y direction. This will be called as acceleration. Acceleration. Its magnitude is formula v is equal to under root of x square y square. Along x square, that is 3 square. Along y square, that is 4 square. V is equal to 3 square value 9. This one is the 16. V is equal to root of 25. Root of 25 5. V is equal to 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. This one is the magnitude. And direction tan theta is equal to Vy divided by Vx. Tan theta is equal to Vy value 4 divided by Vx value 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 divided by 3. Tan inverse of 4 by 3 answer by using natural tangent or logarithmic table or by using scientific calculator, we get the answer 53 degree. 53 degree with x-axis. Okay, this one is the final answer. Dear students, okay, these are the toughest problems. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಥರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.